The BaubleBar Disney earring collection is here. Let's jump into an unboxing together and talk if these $50 earrings are worth the price tag. Hi, I'm Juliet from Perfecting the Magic, your home for a chic Disney lifestyle. And on this channel, we are obsessed with Disney style, so we love to talk fashion, finds from the parks, and give you lots of tips on how to live your chic Disney lifestyle. Today, we're talking about the BaubleBar Disney earring collab. So when this collaboration got launched on Shop Disney, it was a total rush, add to cart moment. The internet was kind of freaking out about these earrings, particularly the big character pom-pom earrings that got launched. I had to pick up a couple sets of these earrings for myself and add them to my ever-growing Disney jewelry collection. I found that jewelry is really a great way to add a little pop of Disney without pushing your outfit all the way overboard, and so these earrings really were a perfect match for me. I'm going to show you the two sets of earrings that I picked out. We'll do an unboxing together, and since these earrings are on the pricier side, the two sets that I picked up were each $55 a pair. We're going to talk if the earring quality matches the price tag. Jumping into my earrings, I said unboxing. I skipped the box part. That part was pretty boring. But I did leave the fun Disney tissue paper in here. So these are the Mickey Mouse lettering earrings. So my first instinct when I picked these up is that they feel kind of light. You know, jewelry, when you get an expensive set of earrings, you can feel that that jingle that makes you really feel like you've got a quality piece. Sometimes that can be good or bad when it comes to earrings because of the heft. But these don't feel incredibly sturdy. I do love the look of the rhinestones on here. So they're fun, they're colorful, they've got lots of shine to them. And the shape is pretty chic, actually. Let's see what they look like on. All right, I got my Mickey Mouse flare on, so let's take a look. Okay, I'm a huge fan of these. The proportions are just right. When it comes to a dangling earring, you know, sometimes you get into that length that makes you look like you're rocking a 70s disco moment or something when the earrings get too long. And these hit just about maybe an inch below chin length, which is fun. And I could see these looking perfect with a Mickey Mouse Disney bound. They've also got that moment where you've got to have a full-on head turn and someone give you a little bit of the lean in to read the earrings to know that you're wearing Mickey Mouse earrings. I'm a huge fan of these earrings. These are a total buy. I'm really happy I took a chance on them. Yes, we're loving these. Okay, earring set number 2. What did I pick out next? It's the Mickey Mouse Icons earring, which is awkwardly pluralized because one would have thought the name should just be Mickey Mouse Icon earrings. But maybe because there's about 800 individual Mickey Mouses on these earrings, I went for the pluralization. Okay, I know what you're thinking, like, Juliet, are you straight crazy? You've told me over and over again that when it comes to Disney style, subtle is key, and you just work in a pop at Disney here and there. And then you're wearing the largest Mickey Mouse earrings that have ever been seen. You know what? BaubleBar had me go a little extra. And my first reaction seeing these in person is, wow, they're actually even bigger than I thought. They did not have pictures of these on the model on the website, and this is a whole lot of Mickey Mouse bling going on. So it's worth noting, each of the pairs of earrings I'm wearing today, $55. None of them are sterling silver, and you're getting into the price point where you could start to get sterling silver earrings at around $50, which of course would mean they'd last longer, they wouldn't leave any weird tarnish color on your earrings. I feel like we're definitely in a situation here where we're paying a bit for the Disney brand name, we're paying a bit for the BaubleBar brand name when it comes into the price tag. So let's see what it looks like. Yeah, so right off the bat, I'm just not loving that giant pearl. It's going as expected there. I feel like that's just way oversized for what it needs to be when really we've got a lot of action going on down below. I do love the way the earrings are laying. So they are laying flat to my face here, which means I'm not getting that awkward turnout that earrings will sometimes do. And so you get a nice profile for the Mickey Mouse profile shot here. That's looking great. The one big detraction I'm feeling, aside from the pearl, is that these things, gosh, are heavy. I could not see myself wearing these for a full day of park hopping. Oof, this is a suffer for fashion type earring, and I think tops, maybe you're wearing these for 2-3 hours. unless you're really prepared to tough out some serious earlobe pain. I have to say that my review on the Mickey Mouse icon earrings has got to be a pass. The Disney BaubleBar collection features 10 pieces in total, all the pieces in the line sitting right in this price point between $40 to $60. Overall, I'll say that the quality of the materials definitely feels a little bit in the low end for the price point this collection's at. I feel like you're paying a bit for the brand name when it comes to this collection overall. So if you're someone who's really looking for a quality set of earrings that's gonna last the test of time, these might be a skip for you. But if you're just lured in by the colors, the shine, and the style, then of course, you do you, girl, and pick these earrings up. For me, I'm keeping these. I'm gonna be rocking these earrings for the rest of the day. I'm gonna have to probably sing some Mickey Mouse anthem. We'll see. But these are definitely gonna be included in my next Walt Disney World trip outfit. Do you want even more news on Disney style? Go ahead and hit the subscribe to channel button down below, and then we can stay in touch and you'll be the first to know when we release new videos. I'm Juliet signing off for now. We'll see you on over at our website, perfectingthemagic.com, and of course, inside the parks. Maybe non-Disney fans will see them and just think they're like Mickey Rooney earrings or